Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate WooCommerce with Google Ads. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the platform from where we are using WooCommerce. If you're using WordPress, as is often the case, just go open up WordPress and this is going to be the home page that you're greeted by, from where you can get started setting up your WooCommerce store. So you have probably already set up your WooCommerce store on WordPress using your plugins. So this is also where we're going to go ahead and be able to find the Google Ads option to integrate with WooCommerce. What you're going to do is click on the plugin section right here at the left side of the screen, and it's going to open up this plugin marketplace. From here we can get started using the search bar to search for all the plugins we can use for our WooCommerce store. And what you're going to do is search for this right here, Google for WooCommerce. This is going to give you the results right here. As you can see, the first result you're going to go and be able to see is Google for WooCommerce, and this is going to enable you to integrate Google Ads into WooCommerce. So what you're going to do is go ahead and upgrade your plan if you're not already on WordPress so that you can use plugins. After that, you're going to click the install button that is going to appear right here. Once you've installed Google for WooCommerce, you can get started with accessing the plugin and using all the options it's going to give you, and it's going to go and enable you to follow the steps to set up your Google Ads program with the WooCommerce store you're owning, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.